this video is to show you the steps for getting a custom unit from me. So first we take your measurements. Then from there I start making the wig. I sew the closure or the frontal on. And then I start sewing the bundles on. And this is, of course, if your unit is being handmade. So from this point, this is just showing you how the closure and that last track, how it looks flawless, seamless, all of that. And if you are getting a sewing machine made wig, it's basically the same steps, but it will look a little different. So this is the inside of the cap. This is after I have washed the unit. As you see, it's beautiful. This is me curling it. So this is just taking you through all of the steps to get to this beautiful finished product. As you can see, the closure looks amazing. All of that, the curls are popping, everything. And of course, we have our beautiful and happy customer as always. So hit me up.